guys, you guys are watching Bill Nye and the Science Guys. The first system we're going to talk about is the circulatory system. It's the transport of the body. It's made by a group of organs that move blood all around your body. First it starts with your heart. It pumps out the blood and the arteries in the veins start to transport it. What happens is rich oxygen leaves through the heart and the left side to the big artery, the artery. The artery brings the blood to the smaller arteries, which then brings to this blood to smaller vessels all throughout the body. Alright guys, now we're going to be talking about the immune system. It's our body's defense systems from diseases and infections. So what happens is organ, tissues, and cells work all together to fight off diseases. There are three types of responsive systems to diseases and infections. One of them is the anammotic response, the inflammatory response, and the immune response. So, the anammotic response physically prevents threatening substances from entering from your body. Examples of the anammotic response include the mucous membranes in the skin. If substances do get by, the inflammatory response goes on attack. The inflammatory system works by excreting the invaders from your body. Sneezing, runny nose, and fevers are examples of the inflammatory system at work. Sometimes, even though you don't feel well while it's happening, your body is fighting illness. When the inflammatory response fails, the immune response goes to work. This is a central part of the immune system and is made up of white blood cells which fight infection by gobbling up antigens. About a quarter of white blood cells, called the lymphocytes, migrate to the lymph nodes and produce antibodies which fights diseases. And now here's an example about the immune system. Hello? We need an emergency now. There's a virus in the lower leg. We need the immune system.
What? Wait, what kind of virus? What?
Shut up! Get to work.
Okay. Back up! I need you!
I'm on my way. Because now we're going to be talking about the urinary system. So if you might need to go to the bathroom, you might want to listen. So, as you might have known, it takes out waste from the body in the form of urine. But in smaller terms, pretty much pee. So first it starts in the kidneys. It removes waste from the blood. That waste combines water, turning it into pee. Urine travels through two types, ureters to the bladder, and I think you know this one. When the bladder is full, the urine is taken out from the body through the urethra. And now an example.
Abe?
I need to go to the bathroom!
You're in the middle of the test.
Urinary system is.
It takes away waste from the body in the form of urine.
Tell me another fact. It first starts in the kidneys and then it goes down toward the waist.
Did you just get skinny?
No. What happens when your bladder gets full? You made me pee! Hey, what's up guys? Now we're going to talk about the digestive system. The digestive system is made up of organs that break down food into proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats, which the body needs for energy, growth, and repair. So, after you eat your food and it goes down the esophagus, it goes into the stomach, which is broken down by the stomach acid. When done, from the stomach it goes to the smaller intestines, where food is broken down into nutrients, and then it enters into the bloodstream through tiny hair-like things. The excess food that the body doesn't need or can't digest is turned into waste and terminated from the body. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about the endocrine system. So, you may be wondering, what is it about? Well, it's a group of glands that makes the body longest distant messenger or hormones. Hormones are chemicals that control body functions such as metabolism, growth, and sexual development. The glands, which include the pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, thymus gland, pineal gland, pancreas, ovaries, and testes, release hormones directly into the bloodstreams, which transports the hormones to organs and tissues throughout the body. Alright guys, now we're gonna be talking about, I can see you guys, muscle mans chilling on the chair, lifting up weights. Well, you know what that means. We're gonna be talking about the muscular system. Well, here's what it's made out of. It's made out of tissues that work together with the skeletal system, we'll be talking about it a little bit later, to help move and control the body. Your arm and your legs muscles are called voluntary muscles, meaning they move when you want them to move. If you want to move left or right. On the opposite, your stomach, heart, and intestines and other organs move automatically by your hormones and nervous system. Another system we'll be talking about later. Body is made up of 3 types of muscular tissues: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles help move the body. Smooth muscles, which are involuntary, are located inside the organs, such as the stomach and the intestines. Cardiac muscles, you might have heard of this, is found only in the heart. Its motion is involuntary. Once again, involuntary means automatic. Like your heart and your stomach moves automatic. And that's the muscle system. Similar to the muscle system, which works with the skeletal system, as we're going to talk about right now. So, as you might be thinking, what is it made of? Well, it's made of bone, ligaments, and tendons. It shapes the body and protects organs. As I said before, it works with the muscle system to help move and control the body. Marrow, which is a soft fatty tissue, which makes red blood cells, white blood cells, and it helps the immune system, is found inside the bones. And now for a visual example, here's the skeletal system.
Hey kids! Today we're gonna talk about skeletal system. And today we're gonna today we're gonna get that camera on my face. Get that camera on my face.
I'm Preston.
I'm Preston.
And we're the Science Guys.